Okay, Mom. Here it is. 12/27/2010. And it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Here's Winter Wonderland. There's a nice snowdrift right on the side of my porch. Funny thing is that's not shoveled. That's wind. That's wind driven. See? You can still see grass. But yet, woo! Oh, oh, shit. Oh, and it's still snowing. That's not wind. That's still snow. Yeah, it's so bad. We got a guy in the snowblower down the street, snow blowing the street. Yep. And this is plowed by the town. Here, let me go down. Oh, and yeah, I have a coat on this time. I got Jimmy's coat on. Okay. There we go. And it's down the street. People walking in the middle of the street. Oh my God. What a mess. Yeah, no, that's not my vehicle. I'll show you where my truck is. Steve has the van. He's at work. And where's my truck? There's my truck on the side of the house. Yeah. But it's Pete's driveway. Obviously, he ain't been here yet to come and plow it out. But see, snowdrift up against the house. And that's my front porch. Oh, look. Because of the winds last night, one of the flowers are now laid to rest. Why? Oh, dipshit going too fast down the street. Ain't that a bitch? Your flowers were on the deck, buried in snow. Jimmy picked them up this morning when we came out to shovel out Steve. Oh, ow. This is my porch. Yeah. Pretty bad. Okay. Hat, coat, but still got pajamas and slippers on, so I'm heading in. Love ya. Ta. And it's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Haha.